Hello, my name is Charlene Wagner, President of Greenway Network. We are thrilled you're coming out to join us in cleaning up our communities. The trash you pick up today won't find its way into our rivers and streams where it could cause water pollution and harm wildlife. Over the years, thousands of volunteers just like you have cleaned up tons of trash, making the environment better for all of us. The first rule of trash bashes is to have fun. Take some before and after pictures so you can show your progress. But most importantly, take some time to look around. Enjoy the sights and sounds of nature and enjoy the people you're with. There are, however, a few things you need to be aware of, particularly right now when we may not have a trained team leader on the ground with you. First of all, make sure you wear your gloves at all times and don't touch your face until you've had a chance to wash your hands with soap and water. Wear your mask whenever you're unable to properly social distance. Bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and bug spray to keep yourself hydrated and protected while you're outdoors. Use the trash bags provided and make sure you know where the designated spot is for depositing them when they're full. If you happen across something that is heavy or too large for you to carry, make a note of it and let the organizer know so they can come back and deal with it later on. Always go with a buddy and be aware of your surroundings. Watch out for things like slippery banks and always stay out of rushing water. Now and then you may come across something that's unsafe. I'm talking about things like needles, barrels, broken glass, tanks, or bottles with funny looking fluids in them. If you come across something that you're unsure about, remember the first step is to step away. Leave it where it is and don't touch it. There are professionals who are trained to deal with those sorts of things and clean them up. If it's something that's a matter of public safety, go ahead and call the local authorities to come out and assist. For things like barrels, tanks, and spills, you can call the statewide hotline using the number in the description of this video or the number provided by your organizer. For everything else, needles and broken glass, make sure you let your organizer know about it. No matter what it is, do your best to take some pictures and get a good description to give directions so that we can find it when we come back out. It's very important to remember that cleaning these things up can take some time and sometimes involves multiple steps, so don't expect instant results. The professionals will come out and do the best they can as quickly as they're able using the limited resources that they have available. When you are finished, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water. If that's not available, rinse off as best you can with whatever water is available before applying hand sanitizer. And then follow the instructions provided by your organizer to report how many people took how much time to clean up how much trash. These numbers are very important to us. We use them to help secure the supplies and resources we need to keep programs like this going into the future. Now back to that fun part. When you're all finished, make sure that you share your pictures and your stories with your friends and on social media. Let everyone know what a blast you had bashing that trash. Again, thank you very much for coming out to volunteer. We hope you have a safe and fantabulous adventure, and we will see you on the river.